Today is November 1st. We're driving back from Tennessee. And Elmo and Big Bird have been having it out for about 10 minutes. We can't tell who's winning yet. Yeah. Truck! No, you can't have that. Well, anyway, that's about as good as it gets. So, Steven, can you wave bye-bye?
Goodbye.
Goodbye! Get out! Goodbye and get out! He's wearing sweatpants and his red boots because he doesn't take them off. But they're about the cutest things you ever saw in your life, don't you think? Okay, we're gonna get out. Bye! Okay, we'll get out. Love you. Bye!